everyone, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. So this is my weekly plan with me series for the Happy Planner, but if you are new joining me today, you can be decorating any planner you so choose. This is really a video of inspiration with different themes and ideas. So welcome everybody to my channel. Today I'm actually doing my May monthly layout. So this isn't a weekly layout, this is the May monthly layout, and I wanted to do a summer spring theme, very similar to what I did in April. So this is what I did back in April. So I'm doing another summery spring theme, so very floral inspired a lot by these beautiful stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree. Look at how gorgeous those are. And then the images that I printed off for this week are actually inspired by a creator. I found her on Pinterest. I'm going to zoom in to show you guys. At Planner One Love. I found her on Pinterest and she had a really beautiful planner spread layout. So sometimes if you search on Pinterest, you'll find artists that you can credit back to for the images, and that's where I got all of these printed images that I'll be working with today. So all of these here are from her. So if you want to use them and print them out as well, just go to her and you'll be able to find these images to print out. For washi, this is what I'm going to be using this week. Both of these are from AliExpress. They're super beautiful. I've used these before, so if you follow me, you would have seen me use these before. And that's it, guys. So grab your planner and let's get started.
Take me away from home, show me all the places I've never known, and we'll chase the night, race all over.